Hello and welcome back. So in this problem, what we need to do is we need to find the intersection, union and intersection of two lists. So we need to return a tuple with first element being the union and the second element being the intersection. Great. So let's just write it down, comma. Right. So that means it's a tuple. Right. So first element. So we are given 1, 2, 3, 4 and 3, 4, 5, 6. So the union will be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. So the first element is like that. And the intersection between them is 3 and 4 and 3 and 4. So that should be the second element. Okay. So to do that, we need to convert it into a set first of all. So set, let's convert the first list into a set. And then we need to do union, right? So we can do dot union as well, or we can use the other operator as well, right? So list 2, this would give us a union of set, and we need to convert this into a list as well. List. Okay, that's done, but we need to sort it. Okay, it seems like it's sorted, huh? If it is not required, then we'll just roll back. So that's the first component done. We can do something similar. Right, so it's basically same thing. Let's copy this and let's just change the operation only. So and operation or intersection, right? So we can use two things. We can use a method or we can use the operator as well. Right, so that's how we can do it. Okay, so let's run the code now. Hopefully it works. What the hell happened? Okay, list one. Why is it failing to compile? Okay, let's not do sorted for now. Right, and let's try to fix this first. Okay, maybe I removed the sorted thing. What did I miss? Ah, I should have done it. So this is Control Z, Control Z, and somewhere here. List one, remove that, and put the end over there. Now it should work, hopefully. Great, all the test case have passed. So how have other people done it? Let's submit the code. It's taking a while now. It's weird. Sometimes the submit button does not work. Let's check the solution now. Okay, other people have done something similar. Okay, yeah, it's basically the same thing. Yeah, so they are sorting it later on and then just returning a tuple. Okay, this gentleman is doing something similar to what I did, and then I did the whole thing, and then he put the whole thing inside sorted. Okay, that's a good one as well, just to save some time. Right, so that means every element inside that list is sorted, right? That's an interesting one. I like this. I like this better than mine because every element of that list would be sorted, hopefully. Huh? Okay, so basically that's how we can solve this kind of problem. Thank you.